Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to unhide all columns in Excel at once. So let's start this in Excel, and here you can see I have a large data. In this data there are some columns is hide. In C2 app the sum column is hide, I2L in column sum hide, and to R the sum column is hide. So these all column I'm going to unhide at once. Simply select the inside the cell of this data and use the Control A to select the entire data. You can select the different way also. Just click on this arrow to select the entire sheet of the Excel file. After that, go to the Home tab. In Cells group, click on the Formats option. In Visibility, click on the Hide and Unhide and click on the Unhide columns. And that's it. Here you can see the all columns is unhide. Okay. I use here the Control Z to undo the action. You can see all column again hide. And I'll show you the second way to unhide all columns at once. Here I showing you the shortcut key to unhide all columns. Simply select the inside the cell, use the Control A, and you can use the shortcut key Alt-OUL, and that's it. You can see the all column is unhide at once. So hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.